Welcome, this is episode 31. You're watching 58 Max. You're learning 3D Max. What you do every day, give 5 minutes of your time, learn something new, something exciting. Okay, we are on extended primitives today. So let's click on the extended primitives from the geometry tab. Now we have finished GenGon yesterday. Let's start with RingWave. So let's click on that. Drag once for the first radius. Once it's set up, then let go of the mouse. Now you see this interesting shape sort of appearing in the center. We'll talk about that in a bit. Let's just register that as well by clicking once more. Now your crosshair mouse cursor should be vanished by tapping Q on your keyboard, so that you can middle mouse button on drag and make this one make the viewport a little bit more active. So let's go on the modified panel or modified tab, and let's see what this RingWave has to offer. First, its radius. We all know it's like a circular geometrical shape, so it will have radius. You can have different segments, so you can increase or decrease the segments. Let's keep 2 for now, and let's reduce the sides to maybe 100. You can go low as 3, I think. Yeah, 3 is the lowest, and that will not give you that much detail. Anyways, now let's change the height, and you can have in little extruded effects there. Now height can also have segments. If you pay attention on your left viewport, you can have different segments of the height right here. Now let's just see why RingWave is a little bit different than the other ones on the extended primitive list, because it has some controls that will be animated. So what I mean is you can see all this scale down here. It looks like a ruler, so it's basically it's called timeline. So it has all these frames from 0, 5, 10, 15, 20 all the way up to 100. Now these numbers are also replicated right here as well for RingWave timing, if you look into under the parameter rollout. So what it does is if you just hold this bar up there on top of your timeline and just drag it to your right, you see there's something's happening. The RingWaves are animated. So what's happening is just press spacebar once this bar is selected, and you can see the entire animations taking place. Now that's what makes RingWave a little different primitives than the usual one. It has start and end time parameters. Now you can change them. You can click on grow and stay from RingWave timing, and click on this one and drag and see what happens, or hit spacebar on your keyboard and see what happens. It changes as well. Now there's few different things that you can do as well. Now suppose you want to just create the minor cycle to let's change this to 40, and let's see how that goes. Now it just stays the same, so let's just change this one to the major cycle, and the minor cycle to 40 on the bottom, inner edge, so the variation creates. So you can change them, the variation like that, and it can have different type of animation. Now you can use RingWave for many different project, but mostly this is the first example how timeline works. So you better play with this RingWave for a little bit and get used to with all these parameters for inner edge breakup and outer edge breakup, and you can smooth unsmooth like the other ones that you have seen. And we'll learn something new on next day. So hope you have enjoyed this, and do subscribe, comment to this video, and see you guys next time.